In order to develop a good survey, you have to focus on several key elements. The most informational and impactful surveys conducted are always very clear and concise with all questions. My goal with this response is to create an excellent survey that is effective and easy to interpret. The first thing I must do when making my survey is identify my purpose. For this survey, I will answer the question, what population of students on Clemson's campus fear for their personal safety when walking alone at night? Statistical data for this survey will be acquired through an anonymous test emailed to a predetermined test group. In order to get the most applicable results for this survey, I must select an applicable population. For this particular survey, the population will be Clemson students. To obtain a representative sample, I will use a completely randomized experiment design. To do this, I will assign each Clemson student a number. Then, using a random number generator, I will select each student based on the numbers produced by the generator. I will repeat this process 999 times to obtain a sample of 1,000 Clemson students. Next, I will send an email containing the link to the survey to these 1,000 students. This should prove to be a random sample of Clemson students. My survey will consist of 2 questions. The questions will be 1. On a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being extremely uncomfortable and 5 being extremely comfortable, how comfortable are you walking on campus alone at night? And 2. Has there ever been a time when you, walking alone on campus at night, have legitimately feared for your personal safety? If so, can you explain the situation? Next, I will distribute my survey. I will use students' Clemson emails as most students check school emails regularly. I will set a deadline of 2 weeks from the date the email is sent. The survey will be conducted via Google Docs, so once the student submits their survey, I will be able to immediately access the results. Once the deadline has passed, I will gather all the results from the survey and analyze them. I will find the average answer to the first question and use that numerical value as my primary method of answering the question. Once I have thoroughly gone through the results, I will publish them to the entire Clemson community via email. This will prove to make students more aware of the struggle that is campus safety.